Good morning, friends. It's a cloudy day. We are just entering to Netherlands from Germany. I think you can see the wave. You can see the board of the Netherlands just now. We just passed the Netherlands board, and we are driving now. We are just in Netherlands. Just past German, so it will be a nice day, cloudy day. You can see my friend is driving. I think we hope we can reach our unloading place. It's in about another 1 hour. You can see the border park and everything. The road is a little bit empty today morning because it's really early morning. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. So anyway, you all can see the short video. Thanks to everybody.
ඒවා ගඟ යන්නේ වගේ
මාරු ඒක ෆෙරි තමයි අර බලන්න අනිකන වීදුරුවක් කියලා මේක මේ ඩම්ලක්ක් එකේ සෝලර් පැනල් එකක් වගේ Friends, now we are just entering to Belgium from Netherlands. We was passing Netherlands in the morning. I think you all heard. Just now you can see the Belgium board in the highway. That's right there, you see. Now the road is going to be a little bit busy because the time is about 11 past 20. So we are just moving to Belgium to get our load done. So this is my friend Namal is driving now. So I think you all can have a good view. This is Belgium. Okay, thanks to everybody. Right, bye. Yes, good evening, friends. We are going to end up our journey. Now you can see, yeah, nobody's in the road. It's almost in the evening. Now we are just entering to the Luxembourg. You saw the board, yeah. So we started from Germany and we came to Netherlands. From Netherlands we came to Belgium. From Belgium now we are going through the Luxembourg again to Germany. We had a long way and a long journey, but now it's going to be dark. But anyway, there's no vehicle in the road at the moment. So my friend Namal is still driving. He may be very tired. So, but anyway, we are really happy. You know, we are crossing countries and crossing borders. So this will be a happy time. You know, it's very difficult to imagine. In a day, we are crossing 3 or 4 borders. Okay, thanks for everybody. Good night.